Everyone, this is Srinivasan Rajendran. Today we are going to discuss a topic called expression. Okay, in C program there is a difference between expression and statement. Okay, before attend the interview you should have a very clear distinction among expressions and statement, but you need not to worry. I am going to discuss today about expression. What is an expression? An expression is a collection of operators and operands that represents a specific value. What is an operator? There are different types of operator which are available in a C program. We can say the mathematical functions, we can say it as an operator. Arithmetic operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operators. So all the arithmetic things, arithmetic operations, we can say it as an operator. And then not arithmetic operations, mathematical operations, we can say it is a mathematical operations. And operands are variable names, constant, all those things are operands. Okay, so let's see the example. A plus B. Here A and B is a operand, plus is a operator. The combination of A plus B, we can say it is an expression. Okay, A less than B. So A is an operand and B is an operand. Less than is a mathematical symbol. Okay, A plus 5. A is a operand, 5 is a constant value, plus is a operator. So these are the examples of expressions. So that's why they have given operator, a symbol which performs a task like arithmetic operations, logical operations and conditional operations. All those things we can say it as a operator or else a mathematical operations. And operands, the value on which the operator performs the task. So that is called an operator. I hope you would have a clear meaning. So the combination of operator and operands to do a specific value or to represent a specific value, we can say it as an expression. There are three types of expressions in a C programming language. First one is an infix expression, second one postfix, and third one prefix. The order might get changed, but there are three expressions: infix expression, postfix expression and prefix expression. Okay, what is infix expression? The operator is used between the operands. Okay, let us take, there are two operands in the given example, A plus B. Here the operator is present in between the operands. So this is called as infix expression. A plus B is an expression. A and B are operands, plus is an operator, but the operator resides between the operands. Postfix expression. Operators are used after the operands. So see the example, A B plus. Okay, A B plus. Okay, so which means that A and B are operands, plus is an operator. Okay, this is called postfix expression. And prefix expression, obviously you know the operator will come first and then followed by operands. So plus is a operator, A and B are operands. So these are the three types of expressions which are used in C programming, but mostly these topics have been used in the data structure, how to store the value or how to organize the data. So that is the concept of data structure. Most probably infix, prefix and postfix are used there, but these are the things which are used for the expressions. Okay, I hope this video would clearly tells about what is an expression and what are the types of expression available in the C program. I hope you would like this video. If you like the video, please leave a comment what should I give the topic for the next video, and then you can subscribe my channel. So I hope every day we will post a video related to a C programming that helps you to master in a C. Thank you all.